Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Laribe Tech. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the latest flagship device from Sony, the Xperia Pro I. This phone is one of the most anticipated devices of the year, and we're excited to get our hands on it. The Xperia Pro I is a high-end device that's designed for photographers and videographers. It comes with a 6.5-inch OLED display with a resolution of 3840 by 1644 pixels, which is perfect for viewing your photos and videos in stunning detail. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is one of the fastest processors available on the market today. The Xperia Pro I is also equipped with an impressive camera setup. It features a triple camera system that includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. This setup allows you to take stunning photos and videos from different perspectives, and you can even zoom in up to 10x without losing any detail. The Xperia Pro I is also a 5G-enabled device, which means you can experience lightning-fast download and upload speeds, even in areas with weak connectivity. This is perfect for photographers and videographers who need to upload their content quickly. Sony has also made sure that the Xperia Pro I is a durable device. It features a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which is the toughest glass available on any smartphone today. The phone is also water and dust resistant, so you can take it with you on your outdoor adventures without worrying about damaging it. Finally, the Xperia Pro I comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which should last you all day with moderate use. It also runs on the latest Android 11 operating system, so you can enjoy all the latest features and security updates. So there you have it, the Xperia Pro I from Sony. This is a high-end device that's perfect for photographers and videographers who demand the best. With its impressive camera setup, 5G connectivity, and durable design, this phone is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this.